They came out with a new foundation. Look, Mom, an avocado. I need this so bad. It's gonna be like a Jolly Rancher. I need like a cute way to display all my bath bombs, and they just like live in those little crevices, and it's not cute. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. On Saturdays, we do PR unboxings, basically getting to show you guys all the new stuff for the week. We have these packages here this week. As you guys know, with everything going on right now, there is really not that much launching. There's not that much going on. A lot of businesses are shut down right now, and I do hope that you guys are all staying healthy and safe during this time. I'm praying that we get through it quickly, but we will get through it. And again, I just want to keep these videos up for you guys because they're a fun little escape from everything going on, and it's always fun to see what is new coming out. Before getting this video, I do want to let you guys know that I started my email notification again. So if you guys want to sign up for it, all you have to do is click the link down below and then you just submit your email address. All it does is notify you when I have a new video going up, and it goes right to your email, so that way I know it's a little bit more foolproof. What I do in there is I usually also throw in some mystery box giveaways in there, which I already did, and I'm announcing that one today. So if you guys got the email notification, you guys know who the winner is. But I'll do like little surprise giveaways in there. And then I also link the new video, the most recent video, and then also the most recent video on my Life of Maddie channel. I'm kind of going back to leaving everything over on my mommy channel for Life of Maddie. I'm kind of just doing a lot of trial and error right now with the algorithm on YouTube, so I'm just trying to figure some stuff out. But that is where I will be putting my mommy and my vlog content over there. And plus, I miss vlogging and not having like, I feel like I have such a pressure for vlogs on my main channel than I do on my Life of Maddie channel. It's weird, I know, but I want to vlog more, especially during this time. So I will be putting a bunch of vlogs over there, so make sure to subscribe to my Life of Maddie channel, but everything will be in that email notification, so definitely sign up for it if you haven't yet. All right, so now with that lengthy intro, let's go ahead and see what we got this week. The first package that I got is a new line from L'Oreal. They came out with the Elvive Dream Lengths. Basically, it's going to strengthen long hair and help seal split ends so you can save that last inch. I need this so bad. I was looking at my wedding stuff with Joel, and my wedding, we just celebrated our 6-year anniversary, and my hair was so long and full then. I'm like, what happened in the last 6 years? Oh wait, yeah, I had a baby, and postpartum hair loss really took a toll on me. Also pregnancy too. Oh, I got scrunchies, and these are really pretty. You guys know how much I love mauve and how much I love scrunchies, so thank you L'Oreal for sending these over. I have literally a whole bin of scrunchies. They are my favorite thing ever right now. So yes, and then here is the new line. So we have a no haircut cream, which is a leave-in fine castor oil and vitamins, helps seal split ends and reduces breakage. And then we have the shampoo and conditioner. I will give you guys an update on this in my favorites video for next month. If you guys didn't know, I'm starting my favorites video again. They're really basically about what I am loving the month and then what I've been testing out. And then I let you guys know if there's anything that really did not work for me. So definitely check out the favorites videos, but so excited for this. I need longer hair and fuller hair. I miss it. Also, sorry if I sound a little congested right now. Allergies are getting to me. They just hit me like 2 to 3 days ago, and I cannot stop sneezing. I was sneezing like all day yesterday, and Joel was like, are you okay? And I'm like, it's allergies, because I have that like tickle at like the back and roof of my mouth right now, and I'm like, it is allergies out big time. So if I sound congested, it's because I am, and I'm sneezing a ton. So there you go. Our next package is from Kokie Cosmetics, and we have 4 new bronzers from them. So I cannot wait to try these out. First up, we have Stay Golden. Then we have Sunlit Peach. Then we have Soul Tan and Heat Wave. Boom. I have to say, a lot of them, they're kind of all a little bit more on the warmer side. I'm gonna open up this one and swatch it for you guys because this is one I'll test out. So yeah, it's a little bit more of a warmer bronzer, so I would definitely use this to warm up the skin and then use something a little bit more cool tone to do any contouring with. It blends out beautifully on the skin, so this will definitely be one we're gonna be testing out very, very soon. Okay, so next up is a package from Lalicious, and I'm so excited to see what they sent over, especially during this time. A lot of self-care should be happening right now, you guys. And it looks like they came out with a new line called Peachy Keen. And it says, everything's peachy over at Lalicious, and we couldn't wait to get our newest limited edition products in your hands. Meet Peachy Keen, an intoxicating blend of creamy peach, sweet berries, and jasmine petals. Only available for the season. Take a ride on the sweet side before it's too late. So it is a limited edition collection. And if you guys didn't know what Lush is, basically they have some of the most amazing body butters, lotions, scrubs. They smell so good. So we have the hydrating body butter right here. Let me open it up. I also really love their packaging. It is always so beautiful. Let's smell it. I'm dying. I love peach scents. You know what? It smells like Peach Bellini from Bath and Body Works. That's what it smells like. It smells amazing. Oh my God, their body butters are always so hydrating. Oh, I love their body butters. Yes. Oh, you can just see, they just hydrate the skin so beautifully. I love body butters for the nighttime because I just like lather it all over and then I go to sleep and I wake up and my skin feels so smooth. So this one smells bomb, like really, really good. Oh, look at, they even have a little mini set. So they have the whipped sugar scrub and the body butter in here. So this is a great little set for travel. Take a look at it. And a great little set to just kind of like try it out before getting the full size if you want to see how, you know, your skin reacts to their body butters and all that. But that is really, really cute. I love it. And then last but not least, we have the Extraordinary Whipped Sugar Scrub in Peachy King. I will be using this. As you guys can tell, I'm definitely self-tanning more. So I definitely need to be scrubbing a lot more too. So I will be testing this out very, very soon. So thank you so much to Lilicious for sending these over. I am loving the smell of this new collection. Next up, we have a package from Milani Cosmetics, and it is their Screen Queen Luminous Foundation. What? They came out with a new foundation? I did not hear, oh my goodness, they did come out with a new foundation. So it says it's 100% agree with skin looks naturally luminous. 97% agree that skin looks more awake and revived. 97% agree their skin has a youthful glow. 94% agree with skin looks brightened and complexion looks flawless. Ooh, and it's vegan. They came out with 45 shades and it retails for $13.99 and you can get it at MilaniCosmetics.com, Ulta, Walmart, and Target in stores and online. So that is amazing. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. We're gonna be testing this out too. So they sent over these shades, sent over 3 shades for me. I believe they're more on the fairer side. They sent over 140, which is nude ivory, 160 soft linen, and 180 warm shell. I think 160 is going to be my best bet for when I am fair and not self-tanned. If I had to do a self-tan shade, I would probably be maybe like Natural Bisque 250, I'm thinking. I don't know. I have to see them in person. But I am very excited to try this out. The packaging is beautiful. It's got a nice pump. It's a glass packaging. I just gotta put some on the back of my hand. I wanna feel the consistency of it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. 160 will be my perfect shade for when I'm not self-tanned. I like the tone of it too because it's a nice neutral tone and it definitely is more on the thinner consistency. Like I feel like there's not a whole ton of coverage with it, just putting it on the back of my hand, which I think I'm going to really like because I do not like heavy foundations at all. If you have any fine lines or wrinkles or anything, heavy foundations will just like, they just seep in and they just like live in those little crevices and it's not cute. That's why I love thin, lightweight foundations. So I'm very excited to try this out. We will give it a go. I want to film a makeup video testing out a lot of new makeup. So even if I'm self-tan, I'll just wear like a longer sleeve shirt and we'll just drag it down the neck and try to hide it because I really, really want to try this out. So thank you so much to Milani Cosmetics for sending this over. I am very, very excited about it. All right, so it looks like we have a new product from Good Molecules here, and this is their Pineapple Exfoliating, you say that, exfoliating powder, formulated with fruit enzymes, vitamin C, and rice powder to soften, brighten, and gently exfoliate. So this retails for $16. I love Good Molecules. Their stuff is so affordable, and I have found that their stuff works really well for my skin too, which is a plus. I love their primer, their silicone-free primer. Amazing. So this is going to brighten and renew your skin. And all you do is dispense a teaspoon of powder into the palms, mix a few drops of water to form a creamy foam. Use more water for gentler exfoliation. You massage into your skin. You can use it up to 4 times a week. This reminds me a lot of the, what's it called? The Daily Exfoliator from Dermalogica. That is also a powder. That one I love as well, but that one's definitely a lot more pricier than this one. So I will test this one out, see how it works for my skin, and it might be a really good dupe for the Dermalogica one. So I'll let you guys know about this. Okay, so next package is from Fresh, and I think my lips just died and went to heaven, you guys, because they came out with a ton of new sugar hydrating lip balms and a bunch of different flavors. What? You guys know the caramel one? Oh, so good. So good. I love it. So they came out with a bunch of different ones. So it says, happy spring, give your lips a pop of hydration to celebrate warmer weather with our sugar hydrating lip balms in watermelon, blood orange, and lime mint. Oh my goodness. Okay. Look at how cute the packaging is to these. These are adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have the blood orange right here. And then we have the coconut, lime mint, caramel. I'm very excited for this one. Watermelon. It's gonna be like a Jolly Rancher. Peach and lemon. Yay! I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'll let you guys know how these are, but I'm sure they're gonna be just as good as the caramel one, and I love that caramel one. So, this is such a cool launch, Fresh. I am so excited. Thank you so much for sending these over. My lips really, really appreciate it. Okay, so next up, we have a really cute new launch from Ofra Cosmetics. So it looks like Samantha March, she actually collaborated with them. Look at how beautiful this packaging is right here. This is absolutely stunning. And then here is the back, kind of a description of everything that is inside. Oh my goodness. So congrats to Samantha on this launch. This is amazing and so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, how adorable. Okay, so it says that the launch is already available. It was available on March 20th. And it's pre-sale PR bundles available March 16th. So you can even get the PR bundle too if you want to, which is adorable. I mean, just check out the packaging. Let's open it up. It's like a little book. Oh, how cute. Aw, how exciting. Okay, so first up we have the Start Inspired. So, oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is gorgeous. You guys know their highlighters are like boom, out of this world. So this one is a little bit more of an icy highlighter. And then we have Chick Lit right here, and this is a blush duo. Oh, I love Ofra blushes too. Oh my gosh, the matte side is stunning. It's like a really pretty kind of, I wanna say medium petal pink. I'm horrible at describing colors. And then on the other side here, we have a shimmery blush as well. So you can swirl those together. You can focus on one side or the other. Really cool. And then we have River, and this is a bronzer duo. Oh, how pretty. So here's the bronzer duo. So we have, again, a matte side and then also a shimmer side. So I will do swatches for you guys here. Here is the matte and the shimmer side. So shimmer is over here and then the matte is right there. So beautiful. I cannot wait to use these as well. We'll be testing those out very soon. And then she also came out with a liquid lipstick and a lip gloss. So we have Story right here, which honestly, it looks like a lot more of a deeper shade than Manila. It's like in that same color family, but deeper. So it's really, really pretty. Oh, I love it. And then the gloss is called Millie, and it's just like an icy, glittery gloss right there. How beautiful. And yeah, so that is everything in the collection. Congrats to Samantha on this. This is amazing. I am so excited for you. And congrats to Ofra too. You guys created a beautiful collection together and I cannot wait to try them out. All right, so last but not least, the last package is from Lush and I am so excited for this package, you guys. This stuff right now would be so much fun for all the kids. So I definitely recommend checking them out. I was supposed to go to the store and visit them, but with everything going on, as you guys know, everything is closed down. We're all in self-isolation, but I am so grateful that they could send me over this new collection. This is for Easter and just perfect for the kids. I cannot wait to do this with Riley. I will show you guys very soon of us trying some of these out, but they came out with a ton of different bath bombs. So we have the Avo Good Easter Soap, which is right here. Look, Mom, an avocado. How adorable is that? So this is soap. It smells good too. And then we have, let's go next up, we have the Sunny Side Up Shower Jelly, which is, let me find that in here. Oh, right here. So this is the shower jelly. So wet jelly and lather up, then rinse with warm water. Ooh, that sounds really, really nice. Love it. And then we have the Dinosaur Egg Bombshell Bath Bomb, which is really cool. There's actually a little dinosaur inside, but I'm not gonna open it up just yet. I will show it to you guys either in a video or in Instagram stories. But look at how cute that is. So you just untangle it, and then there is a little dinosaur inside. It looks like a long neck, like a Bronchiosaurus or something. Yeah, it looks like a Bronchiosaurus, but you guys can kind of take a look at it right there. With the little dinosaur, that is gonna be so much fun for her. There is also a golden egg bath bomb melt. So I'm not gonna show you guys this one because it's gonna be full of glitter. So there's that. And that one retails for $7.95. Then we have the Magic Rabbit bath bomb. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? It's like a little top hat with rabbit, like bunny ears sticking out. That is adorable. I need like a cute way to display all my bath bombs. Next up, we have the Lucky Carrot Bubble Bar. That is gonna be so much fun for Riley. I'm gonna have her go into my tub because my tub is like huge, and put one in there, and I think she'll just have a blast with it, and we can just play in there. I think she would really, really enjoy it. Also, this little sack that everything came in, you can also get it. It's a donkey's knot wrap, and it's $5.95, reduce waste with this beautiful and reusable way to wrap gifts. And it's really pretty too. And then you can also get everything in a golden egg gift set, and it is $39.95, and you can get the carrot, the egg, the hat with the bunny rabbit, the jelly, and then the golden egg, and then all in this really, really cute packaging right here. So that is there. And then they have the bunny face bath bomb holder, and that is $1.95. So super cute. Oh my goodness, how fun is that, you guys? I will definitely be showing you guys some of these on Instagram stories or in a future vlog, so definitely stay tuned. And I hope you guys enjoyed this PR haul. I hope you guys are all doing well and you guys are all hanging in there during this time. So stay strong, we will get through this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.